Check out this pre-owned 2001 Ford F-150 Lariat. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free CARFAX vehicle history report. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include off-road suspension package, CD changer, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, and power windows.